Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super useful for anyone dealing with allergies, pet hair, dust, smoke, or just wanting cleaner air in their home. We're looking at the LEVOIT Core300-P Air Purifier, one of the most popular purifiers on Amazon. It promises fresh, clean air for spaces up to 1,073 square feet. So let's check out what makes it so special. First up, coverage. This purifier is a beast when it comes to performance. Thanks to its 56-watt high-torque motor, it can circulate air quickly and efficiently. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or office, this purifier keeps the air moving and fresh, making your space healthier to breathe in every day. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the filtration. The LEVOIT Core300-P comes with a 3-in-1 filter system, a pre-filter that captures dust, pet hair, and larger particles. A true HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of tiny particles like pollen and allergens. And a high-efficiency activated carbon filter that eliminates smoke, cooking odors, and other smells. This combo makes it perfect for people with allergies, asthma, or anyone who just wants cleaner, fresher air. Here's something I love, the sleep mode. At night, the purifier runs at just 24 decibels, which is basically whisper quiet. You won't even notice it's on while you're sleeping. Plus, it's AHAM Verified, meaning it's been independently tested for quality and efficiency. It even has filter replacement reminders, different fan speeds, and a timer function for extra convenience. Design-wise, the Core300-P is sleek and modern. Its compact, cylindrical body looks great in any room, and because it's lightweight, you can easily move it from your bedroom to your office or living space. So overall, the LEVOIT Core300-P Air Purifier is powerful, energy efficient, and whisper quiet. It's a fantastic choice if you're struggling with allergies, pet hair, smoke, or household odors. Honestly, it's one of the best value for money air purifiers out there. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new one. Thanks for watching, and breathe easy with LEVOIT.